Here we come to the elevators at the Houston Eye Associates Hospital in Houston, Texas. These are Dover traditional from 1985, I think that's what it's installed.
Go to the very, very back. He doesn't want to tape anyone. He's an employee. He's okay.
Perfect. Thank you. All right. There's people inside, so I'm gonna have to point the camera away from people. It's very busy. All right. Excuse me, ma'am. Get your cab view of this. So if I take a picture of the COP.
Yes. Go ahead.
You doing all right?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
Good, good. It's actually a little bit cooler than it was last week, so I'm doing all right.
It's supposed to be the hottest day today.
Yeah, I saw around 4 it's supposed to.
Make sure you hydrate.
Oh yeah.
Just so you know, I do round trips on this.
Thank you, thank you.
There you go.
3.
Have a good one.
2.
Button is burned out. And let's be quiet, listen to the motor. They've changed the pump since I last filmed these. Door close button, I don't think it works. Listen to the motor.
Can you take me down to 2?
Yeah, sure. And we'll get a cab view. Just your basic hospital-sized elevator. You got your Dover traditional classic fixtures. Here's your non-ADA phone. I guess I can come out and switch. I guess I like to switch cars. When coming out, we'll take the other elevator. We'll just ride the other elevator downstairs. All right, just stop the camera. All right, let's go down.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Here it is. Yes. All right, no one's inside. We're gonna take this elevator down. Down to 1. Listen to the motor on these elevators. Watch the button go out. Love a bell. Button goes out. You can go ahead. Mom, go ahead. Here's your cab view. There it goes. That's it.